Hello lovely! In this video we will be doing a plan with me with these super gorgeous stickers from Peach Palm. I'll leave a link to the description in the description box below too, so that you can get this sticker kit or just head over to her shop. Her stickers are just some of the cutest I have ever seen. And this is a collaboration with Celeste Rochelle over at Mystic Magnolia. So when you're done with this video, head over to her video so you can see how she plans. She and I have very different planning styles, which is why we're doing this, so that we can inspire you as you design your weekly spreads for your planner. I first placed the today headers, and then after that I placed the date covers above that. So far every sticker I have touched does have some sort of foil in it. I don't know how she comes up with everything to put foil on, but she does an amazing job. All of the today stickers are the same, like minty green with a rose gold foil. So it's a very soft color, very clean sticker kit, but it also has the warm tones with the purples and then the rose gold foil. Next, as you can see here, I'm placing the full boxes, and one of the full boxes said Hello Autumn, and it had a super cute little rose gold spoon. And next I'm placing the bow headers across the second section. I came back to this side because I was like, oh lady, you forgot day covers. Can you tell I don't use them all that often? And then next placing the next row of bow headers. They're just so cute. And as we go through, I didn't have a weekend sticker. I don't believe that kit had a weekend sticker, so I took one from the snowflake kit because it had that same nice icy blue as this kit from Peach Palm. After that, I placed the to-do headers across the third section of the planner. And I'm continuing to place the to-do headers across this side of the planner. They're just so pretty and purty. The purple with the rose gold foil actually kind of matches my nails, so kind of switched it up for this one. And there were more rose gold headers, the purple and rose gold headers, so I decided to place them along the very bottom of the planner, along the bottom of the planner sections, and placed these super pretty 3 bow checklist stickers after each to do, so kind of the top 3 for each day. Now we decorate. So moving the planner so that it is fully wide, stacking some half boxes with some icon stickers, some foiled icon stickers, and placing them on different days as I see fit, using different flags, and just making it so that my week is usable and makes sense for what was going on, or what is going on for this week. I'm so tired. As you can see, I placed a hexagon and then put the laundry sticker on top of that. She also had this super cute double bottom washi that I put it on backwards. I'm not gonna lie. I made a mistake and put it backwards. I put it like you would put it on a regular Erin Condren, but my planners flipped, so I should have flipped them, and then after I placed it, I was like, oh yeah, I messed up. So we are covering up our mistake and using a full box on the left side of the planner, and put another one on the sidebar. I had enough full boxes to make it work. And then we're placing nice cute deco, a sidebar checklist, and this is what the spread looks like. So she also included a journaling card that says hello beautiful, and I look at this planner spread and I just swoon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you really like this. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Don't stop the fun. Head over to Mystic Magnolia, watch the video that she did on this sticker kit as well. I'm enjoying watching how she's doing things because, as I said before, we just plan so differently, and I definitely get inspired just by watching her plan. So head over to Mystic Magnolia. The link will be in the description box below. If you're interested in the sticker kit, head over to Peach Palm. I'll leave her link below too. So on the next video, I'm super excited. Yes, we do have more videos coming for this collab. You don't want to miss it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.